I'm a creep. Betty bought some butter, but the butter was better, so she bought a bit of better butter. Now we're getting there. Of course, we're getting there. What a nice day. I just love those days when the market is up. The market is up today. It was up 300 and something, 25 points. Dow Jones, of course, around 11. And yesterday I did not trade because I was on the road, and in the afternoon when I was searching for a bargain, there was none. And the market was going down, and I just don't like. Why I don't like invest short term when the market is going down? Because it is for short term. I just want to get in, get out, and most of the time you never know where the market would go. So if you invest in a blue chip and the market goes down, of course it will go down. Long term is a totally different story. I have Coca-Cola shares since as long as I remember, so I don't even know until when I have those shares. Oh, today the story, 613 cents and 74. 613, that's 74 cents exactly. In exactly 28 minutes. In fact, I was searching for that stock, Canopy. And I could have made a lot more money, but the thing is, don't forget, my goal is to put 50,000 on one trade. Get out as soon as I have $500 of profit, including commission being paid. So my profit this morning was 633 cents, and with the commission 613, exactly within 20 minutes. I could have sold right 5 minutes after, but the thing is, when you invest in short terms, you also have to look at the index, where the other stocks are going. And for me, Dow Jones at peak, and the trend was really up. We'll look into the trend, what's going on right now, because it's going on the opposite direction of the market, and that's signal people may sell in the afternoon. I just don't want to be stuck with my stock exactly. So let's look right now. Let's look into what was the story this morning. Okay. Okay, I got in CGI. You keep asking me when I'll do live broadcasts. I'll just wait until I just open up that channel, and I just started this week of doing that lunch break. As soon as I have 10,000 people following me on YouTube, I'll be doing the way I search my stock and the way I invest in real time with you guys. I'm just waiting for 10,000 followers, which should not take that long. So just be patient. But in the meantime, I just don't like talking by myself. Okay, first, I keep talking about Drafkings before going into Canopy Growth. I just don't understand what's going on with this stock. I know what's going on. Directors are cashing in today, and there may be a possibility that NFL are not playing, so that would affect online betting. So basically, if you look at just the VWAP, it should be a buy right now, but it keeps going down since several days. Look, it's always below the average, always, all the time. So it's not a good sign. Look, again, another day. Almost 3 days in a row where it should go up, but it goes down all the time. So I don't want to touch that stock for now. We don't know if it is a bargain. It should go above. It should go back up. And every time it seems that it will go back up, it just goes down once again. Every morning, look at that stock. On the morning, it goes up. Yesterday, goes up, goes down, went down. Same thing again the previous day. Whoop, and go down. So this stock is unstable right now. It will go back. But right now I don't like trading that stock because you never know where it goes. look at the Dow Jones. Dow Jones started 930, boom, 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 keep climbing, went up to as much as 325 points, and that's exactly when I decided to sell Canopy. Canopy, okay, at exactly 954. Let's increase this to 1 minute. Canopy Growth. Why I decided to buy that stock, and why I have to admit, like, doing that type of trading, there's sometimes some luck involved. So 954 right here. See here? So, okay, the RSI was low. The average, the stock should have been higher based on the VWAP. The stock on the RSI was low. And every time it hit a low, it goes back up. 2 candles. Chain was going back up. The line was crossing that line here, exactly 954. The MACD was crossing. So for me, everything was a perfect signal to buy it. So I bought it. And it went up. Ooh. At exactly 1026, I sold it. I sold it at right here at 1806. I've made 23 cents per share times 2,800. That makes up $633. I could have continued, but the RSI was at the maximum, was peaking, and it went down after, right here, and it went back up. So it was interesting. I could have held it, but at the same time, the Dow Jones was really high at 1030. In fact, the Dow Jones hit their high of the day at that time. So I've just decided, okay, within an hour, the Dow Jones gained 325 points. It won't go to 600 today. Why the Dow Jones increased today? Retail stock. They went pretty well in September. It surprises everyone. So that's why I just decided, you know what, now the market is going down. And not only that, look at the trend. I don't like invest when the trend, I would suggest that you read what the trend is, but the trend is an index that shows is there's more pressure on the sell side than on the buy side. And when it reach above 1, that means people are selling more than they're buying. So on the NASDAQ. So, and you see the NASDAQ is going down. So everything was pointing that, okay, I didn't reach, I would have loved, of course, to sell it at 1825. I sold it at 19 cents less than that, but I've made my 500. And that's the strategy to make money in the stock market. When you do a day trading, you have to set your goal and stick to it. That's it. And then I start looking, because my goal is to finish doing day trading within an hour, the first hour or hour and a half. So I said, okay, let's look into Avaya. I said, Avaya may be a good target. Right now, it may increase, but not that bad. There's 15 cents possibility if you look at the VWAP. It's down here. So that means there's a possibility to go back up. It goes back up. That line has crossed here, the MACD. So all this signal, it is 12:10 right now. Let's look in the afternoon what the stock would be doing. But again, I don't want to chase stock. I just want to take advantage. But the market is going down now. So that may affect the rebound of that stock if people start selling. And that's why it's too dangerous to get in right now. Drafkings is keep going down all the time. So we'll just wait a couple of days and it will come back. I trust that stock for the long run. So Peloton, some people suggest Peloton. I just love that stock, too expensive to buy for day trading. And you see it, 132, it went to 128, $4. Interesting. But I don't buy enough share. I still can look at how low the MACD was. And it went back up. Peloton is a bit too expensive right now, but for day trading, quick buck right away. It seems easy, okay? It's not that easy. And I would suggest that you read all regarding VWAP, RSI, CMF, MACD, and trust your guts and have balls of steel, okay? Because even when you buy, when I bought Canopy, it went down a little bit. And I said, okay, then I made a mistake. Because I'll make some mistakes. You'll see some days I'll be losing $500. It's part of the deal. You cannot win them all. But when you win, just cash in and say, hey, the day's over. It's Friday. Let's take advantage of a good weekend. And that's it. Hey, by the way, I'm not reinvesting that $500. It goes in the bank. That's it. I'll pay tax on it. My goal is always $50,000. I do it for fun, and I have business to run the rest of the day. So thank you, and have a great afternoon.